Did you drop it? Here. Here.
Pretend it's not there. Yeah. He sees that camera. He's like, That's good. Eat it. What are you doing?
Where is it? Here. It's pretty
I
mushy.
don't know what to do with this. Because it has to be easier if I had teeth.
Here. Here's another piece.
That looks good, buddy. There you go. Chop it down. Too much, huh? Sweet?
Good job, babe. Where'd the other one go? You dropped it.
Hey, Trip. Hey, Trip. Was that good, buddy? I want more. I want more.
Found it.
I want more.
Here.
You see what this is? That's a no-cry camera. Ooh, give me that. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. Can't keep your eyes off that camera, can you?
It's shiny.
Hey, come on, this is the game we play, right?
You let me eat it last time, Dad.
Good job. Good job, buddy. Alright, we're gonna cut it out, okay? I'll give you the camera later. Your hands are too dirty.